Today I'm going to show you how to remove master window switch from an MK1 Ford Focus. So first of all, you can see you have some small plastic trim here that cover a screw. So you need to take a flat screwdriver and push it away. See, this is a Phillips screwdriver. Now we need to open it up. After we remove the screw, we need to take this plastic trim and push it towards us and see the door handle here is interfering, and the last part we need to push this black pin. It's a bit hard, it's a bit tricky to do it with one hand. That's it. So this is the master window switch with the trim. To remove it from the trim, okay, you can see you have 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to push them. Then you see from after I push them, I pressed the master window switch towards me, so I can take it out. See, it came back. Again, it's quite hard to do it with one hand. And that's it. This is the master window switch from a Ford Focus MK1. If you need more parts from an MK1 Ford Focus, please contact us with the email in the description below. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see how to remove more parts from an MK1 Ford Focus, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.